Hello beautiful people and welcome to Macmas TV. Today I want to show you guys how you can attach external memory recording device to Sony Z5 camera. Let's go there. Step 1. Insert the battery and make sure you press the release button for the battery to sit very well. Step 2. Insert the external Sony memory recording device by pressing the releasing button on the device and attach it to the camera. Step 3. On the camera by pressing the releasing button to camera. Step 4. Open the LCD screen. Step 5. Press the menu button. Step 6. Scroll to in and out rec. Press the menu again. Then select external rec control CTR. Press menu again. Go to rec CTL mode. Press menu again. Then select synchronize. That's it. Press the menu again to come out of the function. Now you can press record, and now it will be going to the external recording device. That's all, my beautiful people, and thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you again. Bye.